Weston, you're a good engineer. What's Caitlin? What is Caitlin? Is she a passenger? No, what is she?
Is she the conductor? You're the conductor. Oh.
Hi, Caitlin. Hi. Good girl. Good waving. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Good girl.
Very good. Hi.
Ready this way go?
Yep. Ready. Go.
Oh, no.
Did she hit it?